मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, अस्सलाम वालेकुम आखिर दावाकुम अनिल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन। This is Muhammad Altaf's video. Today I am going to teach you about the what is ayate, what is alayate, and what is sab alayate. So we start with Bismillah, yani या रहमान रहमान रहीम है। और यह रहमान ब्रैकेट अल आयाते आयाते what is alayate, meaning and how it is identified. Okay, in entire al Quran there are total five nine numbers al ayat. Okay, how many? 559 numbers. Okay, alayati are 559. Okay. Which is identifying as when any sentence which is spoken by which has been speaking by Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim hai, it is symbolized as an on over the particular number. This means this particular alayate identifying as I am over the this numbers. Okay. Suppose some starts one in case in the beginning of any surah and it ends with ayan. Particular alayate from 1 to x It is known as one alayate. In between of alayate, it is symbolized also as, suppose x is the number of savalayate over that n is written. 2 y over that n is written. N to n, it is also known as alayate. That means alayate means the particular saying of Rahmani. I have to write in Al-Qurani words first cannot be written in the English. If I, as a teacher, keeps on writing repeatedly in English, this may lead under sin to me. So I cannot repeat further. This is your problem. You learn reading and writing of Al-Ayati of Al-Quran or not. As a matter of fact, each man must have to learn how to read Al-Ayati of Al-Quran, because the orders of Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim is mentioning as Ya Ayyu Al Zina Amanu, or like this. This particular meaning, this mud is written on the wall. This means the married people or engaged people or widower who know reading and writing the alayate of Al-Quran, the words of Al-Quran. That is the comes one of the points of under eligibility. Okay. So every man must have to learn reading and writing the Al-Ayati of Al-Quran. Those who know Urdu language, it is very easy for them to learn reading and writing the Al-Ayati of Al-Quran. So Urdu language is just like a platform or airport. From there, the person who into the train, who board into the flight to travel to their destination. Platform is like Urdu language, and getting in, boarding in the train or plane, it is like, and for the traveling, it is just like they they are reading and writing and understanding the alayat of Al-Quran, so that they travel uh, for their safe travel at their destination. Reaching at their destination means in their life they have been achieved the minimum attendance that is required, minimum 33%, so that they will get the place in Al Jannata, that is safe landing. So the meaning of ayat means the saying of Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim, who is our body producer and our mother's belly, by which a person can obtain one full attendance. This has been designed for obtaining the attendance. No other anything has been designed to achieve the attendance except that of the alayati of Al-Quran. This is known as Al-Haqqo. Al-Haqqo means as you start reading the words of Al-Quran, its reaction starts in the same moment as he does. If he reading, then particular reaction starts. If he understanding by reading and writing, its reaction starts, and if he starts reading and writing and then understanding, that is simultaneously it acts with the particular subdivision of that person. So, al-ayat means this. Al-ayat are 59 in entire 559 in entire Al-Quran, and this is equal to al ayate. These are 559 and these are known as ayate plus hadith. This is included. Ayate plus hadith. How you identify the ayate? I explained about the alayate, but how you would know that what is the ayate? Alayate is okay as n to n or 1 to x, for that n is written and people so called ruku. No, this is not ruku, this is alayate, okay? Ayate means ayate. Ayate means ayate. That means those all orders which each man who is married must have to understand by joining with Muhammad. Okay, this means this. Okay, and how you find out then what is the ayat? So, the orders of Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim which are expressed as Ya Ayyu Al-Lazina Amanu. These orders which are expressed in the form of Ya Ayyuhallazina Amanu, they are 114 orders in entire Al-Quran, followed by La and Wala. You must have to follow, believe and follow practically, and along with you must not have to do and also you don't have to do. This is called ayate. You cannot segregate from the alayate, but you have to search where it is written Ya Ayyuhallazina Amanu. Note down. These are the orders and these are known as alayate. Ayate of Al-Quran. It cannot be segregated, okay? But alayate, it is segregated already in each surah. What is sab alayate? What is sab al ayate? सवालायात मीन्स कि सपोज सूरतुन अल कौथरा और सूरतुन अल असर, सूरतुन अल असर, सूरतुन अल कौथरा, इन्ना आतीना कल कौथरा, फसल्लि रब्बिका वनहर, इन्ना शानिका हुवल अब्तर। सूरतुन अल असर वल असर इन्नल इंसाना लफी खुस्रिन इल्लल्लज़ीना आमनु व अमिलुस्सालिहाति वतवासौ बिल हक़्क़ि वतवासौ बिस सब्र। So this particular surah contain three sub al ayat and this contain one al ayat. Okay, very clear. So you now I hope you would have understood Savalayate, three Savalayate in Suratun Al Asr or Al Qadr, and one Alayate because it ends on that particular number, or not particular, sorry, ends on third number, three number over that, and so obviously this is one alayate and three savalayate. One alayate, three savalayate, and ayate, it is mixed with savalayate and alayate. Ayate is known, is ayate, okay. और la ayate means these 114 orders which have been given in Al-Quran. These were same orders in the previous book, I mean first book. So all these orders have been described, spoken by Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim, which are same as before, almost. Almost means there by use of eyes and by use of tongue is different, but its practical, adopting it practically is same. So this is known as almost, which were in the first book, and first book, in first book, the name of people's body creator, human being, Brahma. Bracket this. And now we, current book, we Ar-Rahmani in bracket this, like this. Okay. Normal book. Okay, clear? Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum. Alhamdulillah. Bye.